Hey y'all, I'm Mike from Cozy Camper and it's time for another Mike's Monthly Maintenance Minute. Today's topic is keeping your RV warm and moisture free during the winter months. But first, today's video is brought to you by the Cozy Camper Academy and the Introduction to RVs course. If you're brand new to RVing or you just want to understand your RV better, the Introduction to RVs course is your place to start. Check the link in the description if you'd like to learn more. All right, let's get into it. When it comes to winter RVing, your furnace should be the primary heat source in your RV. This is because the furnace is typically ducted into the underbelly as well as the living space of your RV. This forced air underneath your RV will keep the plumbing warm, which will prevent freeze-ups in extreme conditions. Electric fireplaces, heat pumps, and heat strips are great auxiliary options, but they don't force air into the underbelly of your RV. And as the temperature approaches or goes below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, they become less efficient and less helpful overall. Next up is moisture in the RV. If you're camping in the wintertime, you're likely going to notice that your windows and walls become covered in moisture. When you're heating your RV in the winter, moisture isn't removed like it is in the summer because you're not running your air conditioner. In addition to cooling the air, your air conditioner removes moisture from the air. It's a great big dehumidifier mounted on your roof. This means condensation, foggy windows, moisture under your bed, in the closet, and it makes everything gross. It can also lead to mold growth. First step is to just get a desktop dehumidifier. You can get a big dramatic one if you want, but you need at least one dehumidifier to help remove the moisture from the air. If you're cooking or using the shower, crack the vent fan even when it's very cold to remove moisture from the inside of the coach. For confined spaces like cabinets or closets, it's a good idea to put some damp rid or another product that absorbs moisture in there. These steps are pretty easy and will do a lot to reduce the moisture in your RV. So let's wrap it up. Use your furnace as your RV's primary heat source and supplement it with electric options. Use a dehumidifier and remember to ventilate anytime you're cooking or showering inside the RV. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and follow, as well as sign up for the Cozy Camper newsletter. We'll send tips like this one straight to your inbox every month. And to take a deep dive into your RV, don't forget to sign up for the Introduction to RVs course. It's the perfect starting place for new and experienced RV owners. Thanks for watching, stay warm, stay dry, and we'll see you next time.
You're still here? Yeah, we used AI for some B-roll. At least we're telling you about it. Get out of here, guy. Goodbye.